Hi and welcome back to Wappler Virtual Academy. In this session I'm going to be covering deploying to a Docker remote. So let's pop into Wappler and let's add another target to our Wappler training website. So the target name we're going to call Wappler Training Remote Docker. It's going to be a Docker engine, and our connection is going to be a remote engine. So what we need to do now is to create a Docker machine. So we're going to hit manage, and at this stage I'm going to pop over to DigitalOcean, which is the service that I'll be basing all of this around. So here's my DigitalOcean. I'm just going to destroy that because I don't need it. My DigitalOcean account, you can see we've got no droplets created on that at all. And what we're going to do is we're going to allow Wappler to create that droplet, and we're also going to need to create a personal access token. So let's add a new Docker machine. This I'm going to call Wappler Training. Whatever name you put in there is the name that you will be given to your droplet. Our provider is DigitalOcean. We need a personal access token, so I'm going to pop back into our API, and you'll see now under the API section, personal access tokens, create new, and we'll call that, surprise surprise, Wappler Training. Generate that token. As you mouse over it, you can see there's a little copy button that makes it easy for you to copy and paste that. That's an old access token that we've got in there. I'll just replace that with a new one, and we'll click create. Now this process can take 4 minutes thereabouts, so we need to have a little wait. I'm going to pause the video just so I don't have to prattle on and entertain you for 4 minutes. I can confirm that I've just had a message up on the DigitalOcean website that I've got open on a different screen, confirming that the droplet is being created. In fact, if I go in there now, you can actually see that you've got a progress in terms of what's happening with the Wappler Training droplet. But unfortunately, just because it's created does not mean that we're finished. So I'm going to stick this on pause for a few minutes, and we'll pick it up when that process is complete. Okay, so that's been about 4 minutes, and now everything that needs to be done is done. Wappler has uploaded your settings to DigitalOcean. It's created a droplet complete with web server and database services. It's create all the appropriate certificates, and that's basically the deployment complete. I'll just drop DigitalOcean back over again and just confirm to you there that we've got that creating. It's got its IP address set, so we'll just copy that, and last thing we're going to do is we're going to paste that into there. I'm not going to deal with the website at this stage. That would be your appropriate web host. I'm not going to deal with the networking side of DigitalOcean. I think that's outside the remit of this particular lesson. But basically that's it now. You've got your Wappler Remote Docker set up. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you in the next session.